You can now run ads on WhatsApp status. Yes, you can now promote status and also promote your WhatsApp channel. This is one of the latest updates by WhatsApp, and it's available on both WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business. This will change how you use WhatsApp forever. So when you're viewing status now, be very careful and start looking out for where you see sponsored. You see this place that is sponsored under the name, right? It will show you whether you're watching a friend status or you're seeing a status that somebody paid for. I think this is something that we should really start using and start trying out right now. Here's why: because it's still new, people don't yet know what's going on, so now it's still going to be cheap. When it gets saturated, it can get really expensive. So try it out. Let me tell you another reason why you should try this out. WhatsApp status ad, once they click on it, it sends them to chat with you on WhatsApp. It sends them to do or chat with you on WhatsApp, and that's fast. So you don't need to come and reopen WhatsApp. They are already inside WhatsApp. All they need to do is to swipe up and send you a message and say, I'm interested. How much is the product? Do you see how effective this is? But if you're running ad on Facebook or Instagram, people that don't have WhatsApp app, you see that it always tells them go and download WhatsApp app, and that process is long, and it can make them change their minds, right? So even if you have a WhatsApp channel and you want to promote it, you can use this method to promote your WhatsApp channel. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing the step-by-step tutorial of how you can do this on your laptop or on your phone. So stay tuned to the end. My name is Favour Kemjii Okoro, and on this channel I teach you sales, marketing, advertising, and finance. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our upcoming amazing videos. Let's get straight into it. Step 1, go to your ads manager, and you can find this by going to adsmanager.facebook.com. Ads, there's an S, adsmanager.facebook.com. Now you can do this on your phone too by putting your browser, your Chrome browser, on desktop mode. Go to your settings, and if it's on an iPhone, tick on that place that you see request for desktop sites, because if you try to use your browser on the mobile version, they will send you back to the app, and the app is very limited. You can do this on the Meta Ads Manager app, but it's limited. There are some things you will not see, and sometimes the app can have hiccups. Last time I was trying to teach somebody how to use the app to run ads, at every small point I'll see try again and to close and start afresh. So I know that it's an app issue, right? But if you're using the mobile or you're using the website like this, the desktop version, you will never have such issues, except your network is down or something. Those same things I was trying to do on the app, the moment I switched to desktop, I was doing it like seamlessly. So please use a laptop or put your browser, your phone browser, on desktop mode, and you should see a space like this. This is your ads manager. I have a video where I taught how to create your ads manager, so I can link it up here in case you don't know how to create a new ads manager account, or ad account rather, a new ad account, and maybe your previous ad account was banned, or you are owing and you don't know how to pay for it, or it's in dollars and you don't have the type of card to pay for it. You can easily create a new ads account, and I'll just link the video so you can watch it and create your ads account. All right, let's get straight into it. To do this kind of ad, all you need to do is click on create. They will ask you to choose the kind of campaign that you want to run: awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, or sales. This is not a full Facebook ad training. We already have something like that on this channel, and I'll link it up here, right? So now I'm going to choose, you're going to have to choose any campaign that leads to WhatsApp. And where are the campaigns that lead to WhatsApp? Engagement campaign can lead you to WhatsApp. Are we together? Engagement campaign can lead you to WhatsApp. Traffic can lead you to WhatsApp, right? Leads can lead you to WhatsApp. Sales can lead you to WhatsApp. So any of these campaigns that you pick can lead you to WhatsApp. But for a business owner, you should be looking towards sales, right? So we're going to click on sales and click on continue. Now at this point is where this is the campaign section, where you name your campaign, you choose your budget and all those other things. Do you understand? So I can just leave the campaign name like that, and for the budget I can say maybe I want to spend 3,000 naira per day, right? Remember that you cannot spend anything less than $1 a day, right? So put your budget and then go to next. The important part now for this is the ad set level. This is where you'll be required to put where you want your ad to go to. You choose the page you want to use, the Facebook or the Instagram page. Now, where do you want to send people to? Your destination. Is it website? Is it app? Is it WhatsApp? This is where you now choose WhatsApp as the destination. Now, if you come here now, you see that the option to pick WhatsApp is not showing. This is because the page I chose, I haven't linked WhatsApp to it. So you have an option of clicking connect account and then link a WhatsApp to it. But I don't have that time. So I'm just going to change the page and choose a page that has WhatsApp linked to it. Right. Once I do that, I would now select WhatsApp as the destination or where I want my messages to go to. Right. So I'll select WhatsApp. I can turn off Instagram and Messenger. I just want WhatsApp messages only. You see that my number is connected. I can connect another number. You can connect up to 50 numbers, 50 WhatsApp numbers per Facebook page. Now let's go down. You know, all of these things, you're going to set them up with the schedule. I will go down and I'll pick the schedule when I want the ad to start, the date and the time. Do you understand? And then go down and then I can set up my audience, the location, the age, all of those things are based on the kind of ads that you are trying to run. Now, the important thing here is the placement. Where is my ad going to show? You can see that it's already showing here, WhatsApp status included. Boom. They've added WhatsApp status placement, right? And so if you want to read more about it, you can click here to see it. So what we're talking about is actually a legit stuff. So to be sure that it is added, click on platforms, click on this pencil icon beside platforms and make sure that WhatsApp is ticked. You can untick others if you don't want your ads to show elsewhere, right? But make sure that WhatsApp is ticked. Still go down, click on placement controls so that you can be sure again that you want WhatsApp to show. You see feed, stories, status, in-stream ads, search results. Go to stories and status and tick WhatsApp status. You can see that it is ticked and they are showing you a sample of what the WhatsApp status is going to look like. Sponsored, your picture, and then when they click on learn more, they send you a message on WhatsApp. So this is exactly how it works. Once you're done, you go to your ad level, you put the picture or the video that you want to use, right? Put the caption, the text that you want to use. Another important part that you should take note of is this chat builder. This is where you can type the message that people will send you after they tap on your ad. Put a message, you click on create template, right? And then start conversation like this. Click on start conversations, click on next. Then put the exact message that you want people to send to you. They've already given you a template here that says, hello, can I get more info on this? But if you want something more detailed, you can say, hello, I'm interested in this product. You can type, hello, how do I register for the class? Then you set up your automation in such a way that when they send that message, it already sends them a response, right? Register for the class. That's for someone like me that runs classes. Once you've done it like this, the next thing is that you can now save. Click on save. So once they send you this message right now, automatically they will get a response if you set up your auto response, which is like your greeting message or your away message. Do you understand? So you have filled the message, you put in under this add creative section, you select whether it's an image ad or a video ad. If it's an image ad, you select an image and then you upload the image you want to use. If it's a video ad, you select the video and you upload it. Do you understand? So if you want a full tutorial, I'm going to link it up so you understand how Facebook ad works. But for this ad on WhatsApp status, the most important thing is the ad set level. When you're selecting placement and platforms, make sure that WhatsApp is ticked and WhatsApp status is also ticked respectively. Once you're done, click on publish and your ad will start running. Once you click on publish, it's going to start running. Do you understand? And that's it. Your ad is running and you're going to start seeing the results in your WhatsApp. Remember that this only works if you're running ads to WhatsApp. So engagement ads, traffic ads, sales ads, directing to WhatsApp as destination, you can now run ads on WhatsApp status. So did you enjoy this video? Do you want me to teach you something else on WhatsApp? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have more questions, feel free to ask and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.